How to use the Share Location function. Before we start, please remember that this feature is available in the mobile app and also in the full desktop site. To access this function from the mobile app, please click the menu button, then Account Options, and then Show Links. Now, please join me to see the full tutorial about sharing links using the full desktop site. First, click Account Options. Then click Show Links next to Share Location. Click Create New Shareable Link. Type in the name and choose the device or devices for which you want to share the location. In case you want to share the location of a certain place, please check the corresponding box or boxes. Check the box Always Active or choose a range of dates and time if you want to share the location for a limited period of time. Finally, click Save. In order to share the link, click Copy Link and then OK. You can paste the link in a browser, a new email or a text message. The device's location will appear depicted on the map as well as the place in case that you shared places. This function is very useful for logistics. Sharing with your customers the location of their order will give them peace of mind. Personal safety. Sharing your location with family and friends can be very useful, especially when you are traveling long distances. Hotel management and tourism. Your guests can monitor the location of the hotel's shuttle bus. This way, they can manage their schedules and will be on time at the shuttle bus stop. We invite you to start using this function with family, friends and customers.